Yeah?
We can put these trucks in the water. Come here.
I don't want to play in that water. There's mosquitoes in that water.
That won't hurt you.
They do. They bite you.
They didn't. They didn't bite you. They didn't bite you. They can dance.
Mosquitoes dance?
Yeah. Mosquitoes can dance. They won't hurt you. They won't hurt. They won't hurt you at all.
Maximum destruction's on the train track.
Monster truck on the water. They can dance.
It's going to get dark soon. See the sun's going down?
Wheels are dirty. Sorry. Third, my wheels are dirty. Look, my wheels are dirty.
Yep. You've been in the dirt, mister.
I'm gonna get you dirty. I got you dirty. Dirty, watch the dog down. Look, there's a little baby.
Where?
Right in there. Get really way up. Is there a train coming?
Not today.
Oh.
He would have been by already.
Hey, let's try the next truck.
Which one?
Hey.
Okay.
Oh, he's stuck. He's stuck. He's really too. Look at he's dirty. He feels dirty too.
The Pepsi truck.
There's a monster pit. There's little monster pit. Nizmo X C-U-C. W-X Y-U-C. What's that Pepsi truck going?
I think he's crashing into maximum destruction.
You gotta get out of the way.
Bish.
Get out of the way.
There's a tunnel.
Here's the thing.
You hear a siren?
Is it that way?
Yes.
No. Can you hear it?
Mm-hmm.
Thank you. Where's that truck's going?
The Pepsi truck?
Yeah.
He's gonna go get some more Pepsi.
Oh. For the man,
For the store.
for the boys and for the girls.
Yeah, boys and girls like soda.
Are they getting for the boys and the girls?
Yes.
Okay. What's happened to that monster truck?
Uh-oh.
What's that monster truck doing?
That's Gravedigger.
What Gravedigger doing? What he's doing?
He's gonna crash into maximum destruction.
What is his name?
That's Gravedigger.
What's that name?
Gravedigger.
Oh.
That's the old Gravedigger.
Why? Why, that's an old Gravedigger.
That's the one he started with, and then he changed to the 53 Chevy panel truck.
It can't work.
He can't work?
No. Look. See that truck can you see those trucks can work?
Yes.
They can work. But that one can't work. Look, Daddy, it's right over here. No problem. It's going this way. Beep, beep. I'm going faster, Daddy. Look, I'm going faster. They're gonna hit something. Whoa. They're going to crash. No. Look, Daddy.
Uh-oh, he's stuck.
That's why I gotta pull him.
Can Gravedigger get him?
Yeah. this.
Okay.
Beep beep. Boom. He's not pulling him. Thank you.
Got him out?
Go, giggle, giggle. Bye. Giggle, giggle, giggle. Here's the look. He's going this way. Look, he's going that way now. Ow.
Uh-oh. What'd you do?
Look.
Don't do that.
And he's going to crash. Then he go up, up, and up, up, up. And he can get on the road. And he tried to stop and try to stop. And he tried to stop. And he tried to stop. Then he tried to stop. And he tried to stop. Now we go this way. Now you try to stop. Now you try to stop. Do you like this one?
Uh-huh. I do like that one.
And he tried to stop. Try to stop. And try to stop. And he tried to stop. And he tried to stop. Here's yours.
Gravedigger's mine?
No. He's mine. Yours. Here's yours. And here's yours. Here's yours. Here's your crayon. So, then let's try
Hear that crow?
He's going down to the ditch. Look, he got down in the ditch. Why you gonna get down there? Why you got down there?
He's delivering Pepsis.
Oh. I want to help you. Ooh.
You putting Pepsi in the truck?
No. Yes, I will.
Here's some Pepsi. Here's some Pepsi.
Thanks. What? It's full of fire. Now he's got up.
Any bigger Ford Pepsi truck out?
Yeah. There's a big rock on there. Did it come off?
Where's the big rock?
Right there. Did it come off?
Oh, it's stuck.
Oh. It was always there. Let's just track right over there, and right over there.
Train track?
There's a car down
I don't see a car down there.
there. Over there. Over there. Over there, Daddy.
William,
But
it's going to get dark soon. We better go.
mine.
Look, the sun's going down. Dog's hungry.
No, it's not time to go yet.
Look at the sun's going down. It's going to get dark. Hmm? That's alright. Look how dirty you are. I think somebody's going to need another bath today.
Can we have another bath?
You want another bath?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can I get my snack?
Yeah.
Can you get I take a bath and then
Mm-hmm.
okay now?
Okay.